All right. So what we're seeing here is the goal here is to solve for n. And what we don't want is we don't want those fractions. Nobody likes fractions. We absolutely want to get rid of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply everything by the least common denominator of our fractions. And this one's actually pretty simple. Since both of our fractions have a denominator of 2, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply everything by 2. So what that's going to give us here is, that'll be negative 6. Negative 2 times that negative 3 gives us our negative 6. And then 2 times 1/2, well, that cancels that out just like we wanted. That gives us a positive 1n. We don't have to write the 1. We can write the 1. It's called redundant 1. If you want to write it, write it. If you don't want to write it, no big deal. Now, the 2 times the 1/2, again, that cancels out. Do we multiply the 2 times everything inside? And that's where everything gets a little tricky. No, we don't. That's actually going to cancel that out. So you have 2 times 1/2 giving us a 1. That 1's on the outside, so that's actually what would get multiplied times everything on the inside. So 1 times negative n just gives us our negative n. 1 times 14 just gives us our 14. So now at this point we have a very, very simple math problem. The second we got rid of those fractions, now I'm betting that you're looking at this going, oh, I fully understand. I'm going to add n to both sides. I'm going to add n to both sides. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. You could do that in 2 steps. Whatever floats your boat, that's completely fine. N plus n is going to give us our 2n. Just like we said, this is going to cancel out. This is going to cancel out. We have 2n equals 20. 14 plus 6 gives us 20. And we only have one last step here, and that is to divide both sides by 2. And you get your answer of n is equal to 10. Cool. Good. Hope you understood that. So again, remember, anytime you see fractions, get rid of them. Multiply by the least common denominator. It's going to help everything. Just get rid of them. Nobody likes them.